Welcome in, ladies and gents. So today we are looking at BikuBot again, and we're going to be looking at its hate raid and moderation tools that has come in recently to the bot, and they are great. So let's get into it. So obviously all the controversy and all the stuff that's going on with hotspots, hate raids, follow botting. BikuBot Bikuta has come up with some absolute bangers of tools that help you control this within your stream. So let's get into looking at these. And I am on the wrong scene. So we're going to go over to this one. There we go. There we go. So first off, we know how to set it up. Obviously BikuBot has to be open and running for this to obviously take effect. You've got to have it running in the background. The way I do this, where are we, is I have a multi-action button. When I set up my stream, I literally have it so it will open, hang on, there we go, BikuBot, as well as obviously I do have Leo on board as well. There's OBS Studio, and I have Twitch open up. That opens the website up for me, and all I do is I just press that button and it opens them all up for me. So there's no, if you've got a Stream Deck, why not? Why not? Otherwise it's pinned, it is still pinned down to the bottom of my taskbar, so I can literally get it anytime. Right, so let's go into the moderation tools. So line similarity, line similarity. Basically, if 5 chat messages with 80% similarity, I can't say the word, get sent to chat by accounts that have been ID created distance of maximum 100,000. So basically what this means is by naming this module, you'll be able to scan for concurrent lines that are X% similar by the accounts block. And the ID numbers are assigned incrementally when the account is created. So if they're all created in a small period of time, this is what we can do. So we can enable this, and with this we can, when this is enabled, we can turn on all these bits. You can toggle a source. We can obviously ban the users that say these messages, because what's the likelihood of somebody coming in and saying the same thing? Basically, we can clear the chat and we turn on follower mode. You can also, I've seen an example of what somebody said is you can turn on toggle an OBS source. So what this will do is you can find the scene. So if you've got your chat on a certain message, so for, let's have a look, trying to remember, so my BRB screen, for example, I've got a sideways chat and I can turn that off. And that will turn that off, so you can't see that coming up. If you've got because some people have it a full chat on the thing as well, so we won't do that again. Once you to be fair, once you've cleared the chat, you should be golden anyway. The next one we've got is follow raid. So if 10 viewers follow the ID creation again within a certain period of time, you can turn on follower mode, clear chat, ban users, and turn off your alerts if you can't control them that way. And again, toggle an OBS source. This one, brilliant, and I love this when I saw this. It's bot accounts lookout. So you literally, anything with starting with that and then any abbreviation of the stuff afterwards, it'll just ban them. You can just ban these users and clear the chat if you want to. Absolutely brilliant. Another feature, again, it just keeps getting better, honestly. The offline stuff, because obviously he can be sometimes targeted offline, and then people can, they supposedly say you can then be reported that way, and you are still in control of your chat, but there's a bit mixed messages with that. But so just to be safe, again, turn on follower mode, turn on subscriber only mode, or turn on emote only. So you can turn all, I mean, to be fair, if you turn on subscriber only and turn on emote only, you sorted. And this takes effect when going offline, and then gets restored when you go back. So you won't have it on, or so you can just enable that and you're golden again. And then protection buttons, trigger line interactions. these are all absolutely just what we need. So the bit as well, which is quite handy, is you can activate all this if you forgot to do it. If you are, or if you've got it up, you can just. I also was told a little trick by BikuBot as well. We can go into the moderation feed up here, and then we can activate all the ones that are in there. So activated protected mode. So we're pressing that, triggering all anti-hate raid settings, and it's sorted. And if you want to take it off, you can click it off, restoring settings, and you can refresh it. It's just, honestly, the work that's gone into doing all this is absolutely brilliant. And so that's all turned on. And do you know what I forgot to do? And I forget to do this every single time. Every single time. Let me just turn that all off. Because I forget to save all my settings. Save your settings, ladies and gents. Save your settings. Still getting a habit of this. So we're going to do all this. We don't need to toggle sources. We're going to save all of our settings. Make sure you save them. To be fair, we are going to do that one as well. No, I will actually leave that one off for now. But again, you can choose all of this, what you want to do, and it's absolutely banging. So we're going to do that one, we're going to do that one, and we are going to save the settings this time. We're going to save the settings. So we go to chat. We are going to activate all these. They are all activated, and if we can reset them, move back, and we're all sorted. We're all golden. It's brilliant. Honestly, this is what we need as streamers. The protection. There are obviously other bots out there and different bits, but I just love the moderation tools that you get with BikuBot. At the moment, touch wood. Well, I've not experienced too much. I probably will do now I've said this, but do it. Thank you, ladies and gents, for getting this far in the video. Very important announcement. We are going to be doing a giveaway for a key for BikuBot. Thank you to BikuBot, who kindly reached out and gave me the opportunity to give away a key. There will be another key to be given away on another video, so keep your eyes peeled for that. But all the instructions will be in the description, so follow those and we will pick a winner ever so shortly. So yeah, thank you all for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.